In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox not installing on your PC. If you do find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually find that installer. If you don't have that installer, go ahead and type in on a web browser, Roblox download, go to that first page and then hit download and it's going to download an installer for you. Right click on it though, hit show in folder. And within this folder section, right click on it again and then select run as administrator. You're going to get that little Windows pop up. Simply select yes, unless you are scared of commitment, and then see if it does install. If that doesn't work though, your firewall or antivirus might be blocking it pretty hard. To actually change this, go ahead and go to your settings. And then from within here, go ahead and find privacy and security and then go into Windows security. From here, go into your virus and threat protection options. If you do have the switch for Windows protection, simply go ahead and turn it off, download the game, and then you can turn it back on. Just keep in mind, you're only going to want to turn this off temporarily. If you do use a third-party antivirus, go ahead and open that instead and try installing Roblox again. And from here, turn it back on. Protection is always important. Now go back and try re-downloading that Roblox installer. On top of that, you could also go to roblox.com, click on a game, and then just hit play, and it's going to pop up with a pop-up prompting you to download that installer. That's another way to get it in. As you can see, it should look something like this. But if this still is not working for you and you still cannot get in, what you're going to want to do is go in the search section and type in %appdata and then hit % and then hit enter. And it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. From within here, you're going to want to go back to this little app data section and select local. And then scroll down on this page and you're going to see a Roblox option within here. Select it. Go into the version section, and from within here, what you're going to want to do is open up whatever the most recent folder is and look for a Roblox player option within here, or even installer, or even Roblox player launcher. They call it different things every single time. It's so dumb that they do that, but they do. And simply just launch the game directly from within here. Sometimes it does hide in here, just like a sneaky little side quest. But if you're still not able to launch it, keep in mind there's a chance that the problem might be with Roblox itself. Go ahead and open up another browser and type in status.roblox.com and hit enter. And if it says anything besides all systems operational, then the problem's not on your end and Roblox is just down bad. And really all you could do when it's like this is wait. But that is it. Roblox should now install properly. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.